Assalamualaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning my dear students. Welcome back to English class. So students, in previous class we had completed till vocabulary. Now let's turn to page number 7. So take out English textbook page number 7. Exercise number 2. Substitute the following with one word. You can take the help of choices given in the box. So students, here they have given some few sentences. For that sentence you have to substitute the following with one word. Okay, like the name of following and choice they have given in that yellow box. So from that take help. Okay, let us start. First, a man who drives a coach. What is the mean by coach? A coach means a long bus which people use for long journey. So a person who can drive the coach is called coachman. So students, write down here coachman. Coachman. Second, one who believes in the existence of God. Theist. What is the meaning by theist? Theist means a person who believes in God. We know that God is omnipresent, so we also call as theist. So write down here theist. Okay. Third, one who does not believe in the existence of God. Atheist. Atheist means opposite of theist is atheist. A person who does not believe in the God, he is called atheist. So write down here atheist. Okay. Fourth, one who doubts the existence of God. Agnostic. What is the meaning of agnostic? Agnostic means a person who believes that nothing is known or can be known of the existence or nature of God. Okay students, so write down here agnostic. Write here agnostic. Fifth, one who believes in serving mankind. Philanthropist. So write down here philanthropist. What is the meaning of philanthropist? Someone who freely gives money and help to people who need it. Okay, so write down here philanthropist. See here how to write. See here students, write down in your textbook. Okay, next we move to next exercise. Exercise number 3. Use the following words in the meaningful sentences. First, A, pride. B, accept. C, experience. D, dedicate. E, tolerance. A, pride. Pride means feeling of pleasure. So students, I am making here some sentences. Taj Mahal is the pride of India. Taj Mahal is the pride of India. B, accept. Accept means agree to something. He accepted my request. He accepted my request. C, experience. Experience means the thing that you have done in your life. He has a good experience in teaching. He has a good experience in teaching. D, dedicate. Dedicate means to say that something is especially for somebody. Mahatma Gandhi dedicated himself of India's freedom. Mahatma Gandhi dedicated himself of India's freedom. E, tolerance. Tolerance means capacity to endure pain or hardship. One should have tolerance towards other religions. One should have tolerance towards other religions. Okay students, understood? So write down in your notebook. Okay. Now end your today's class. Thank you. Jazakallahu khair.